Hey everybody! As part of our quest to help you get to know us better, each of us is going to tell you, in Spanish, what we did during our summer vacation. Okay, Billy, you first.
Oh, Pablo, I told you this was boring. Really boring. Okay. Yo nadé en el mar y tomé el sol en la playa.
Excelente, Billy. See, that wasn't so hard.
Can I go now?
Wow, not very enthusiastic. Okay, Toña, come on, little dudes.
No, you can't make us. We're shy. We're not telegenic. We're boring.
Oh, cheer up. Tell the viewers about your summer vacation.
Let's just get it over with. Okay. Buceamos en el mar. Levantamos pesas.
Good job. Hey, don't you want to know what I did during my summer vacation?
Okay. So what'd you do?
Hablé por teléfono con mis amigos.
Of course you did. You're always on that phone.